Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we came up with a solution on protecting these motorcycles. These clients spend sometimes tens of thousands of dollars upgrading the audio, and we just had a client went down to Myrtle Beach and they took his saddlebags, his tour pack, his exhaust, his seat, and all within a matter of minutes. He did not realize until he came out hours later. This solution would have prevented that. So what we're doing is we're adding GPS tracking, alarm, two-way notification. So if somebody touches the motorcycle, it automatically alerts him on his phone. So we're doing this using Compustar product. Viper came out with a solution a couple of years ago, so we got excited and we jumped on and we tried it, and we figured that there are some very major flaws in the design of the Viper product. Viper makes very good product. It's just, I don't know how this slipped past them. They offer the weatherproof 3121V, comes with a weatherproof remote. It's completely sealed unit, it's encapsulated. So this is the alarm system. Works really good, we've installed it, works great. Then you have the most important part, the GPS tracking and phone notification. Also sealed unit, weatherproof, works excellent. The problem is the two units do not communicate together. There is no data port to let the GPS tracker know, the Smart Start, that the alarm went off. So I was very disappointed because that is the major reason for installing this. What's the sense of the alarm going off if your phone's not notifying you? So it would track if the bike had gotten stolen, the Viper unit would track and it would ping the owner on the phone. But there's no alarm notification, so he would have to wait until the bike was actually taken to get notification that somebody was tampering with the bike, which is, so as you can tell, this unit's been installed. We weren't happy with the performance, the client wasn't happy with the performance, so we actually removed it and we came up with the Compustar solution. So Compustar does not offer a power sports unit, so this is something that we pieced together ourselves. You have to be very careful where you mount it because water will destroy it. But the CM2400 alarm controller is very small. You can literally heat shrink this and hide this anywhere. We're using the Drone X1, which is plug and play. So when the alarm goes off, the drone will automatically notify you. You could use it as standalone GPS tracking, but this is exactly what we need. So we have alarm notifications as soon as the radar sensor is triggered, which we're gonna have a toggle switch on. So if you walk near the motorcycle, we'll set the alarm off. It will get triggered. If the motorcycle is leaned, it will automatically trigger the DAS sensor that has a tilt built in, which will automatically trigger the alarm and give you notification. So this is far more useful because if they touch your bike, your alarm goes off. If they sit on your bike, your alarm goes off. If they walk near your bike, your alarm goes off. That part can be disabled. And if they move the bike, you'll know. So you could set up a geofence. It's without two-way communication, I feel that the system's completely useless. Then we like to use the one-way, one-button remotes. Since it's a Compustar unit, you can actually select any remote that you'd like, even all the way up to the T13 two-way. I don't see why anyone would put this on their bike, only because I don't want to carry a large fob. But if you want two-way notification directly on the fob to let you know the alarm went off, that's one way to do it. We're going to use the weatherproof one button, simple. My phone goes off when the alarm goes off. It lets me know that the vehicle's been tampered with. But in order to make this work, something that the Viper unit has built in is a backup battery. So motorcycles are not designed to have loads added on that are continuously monitoring. The LTE module inside the GPS unit is constantly looking for signal, which will run down the battery. So the way we have it wired is it pulls directly from the backup battery, and it does not pull from the battery on the bike. When you start the bike will automatically charge the backup battery. So these are the components that you need to make it work. We're going to install it on the bike and then just give you a quick walkthrough. But this is our solution to protect your power sports equipment, your Harley Davidson motorcycles, your sports bike, whatever it is that you need protected. This we feel is the best way to do it. So backup battery, alarm brain, DAS sensor, optional radar sensor, and obviously the alarm brain. So check out the install. All right, so we armed the alarm. Chris.